Good afternoon. My name is Ricardo Martinez, and today I will be showing you how to multiply 3 digits by 2 digits using 3 different methods. The methods I will be showing you are the standard algorithm of multiplication, which is the traditional way, the way most of us learn. Next, we have the lattice way. This is a totally different way, and it's kind of cool. And then we have the distributive property of multiplication. This deals with the multiplication operation, which is applied to a number that is expressed as a sum of smaller numbers. You may be wondering why I chose to teach multiplication, and well, this is a skill that most of us should have mastered in elementary school. Surprisingly, many college students have forgotten the steps required for solving multiplication problems involving larger numbers because of the lack of practice due to technology. For example, cell phones and calculators. Forgetting something because you don't use it is a very normal and unavoidable human characteristic. Everyone forgets information that is not constantly reviewed. And of course, it is very important for all of us to know how to multiply because sometimes we don't have calculators handy. A common example is figuring out the tip when you go to a restaurant, or figuring out the percentage of taxes the IRS takes from us. All this is very important so that you can manage your expenses. So don't panic, watch me as I show you how to multiply. So first we have the traditional way. We'll be using the numbers 253 by 18. So the first thing we do is we multiply all top numbers by 8. So we start with our ones. 3 times 8 is 24. So we put the 4 and regroup the 2. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 2 is 42. So we put the 2 and regroup the 4. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 4 is 20. So we put 20. Now that we're done with our 8, we move on to the 1. So 3 times 1 is 3, put 3. 5 times 1, 5. And 2 times 1 is 2. So now we have our first and second partial product, and we add both. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. And 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is our final answer, 4,554. Next, we have the lattice method. We'll be using the exact same numbers. So the first step we do is multiply all top numbers by 1. So we start with the 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So we put 0, 3. 5 times 1 is 5. So we put 0, 5. And 2 times 1 is 2. Put 2. Now we multiply the top numbers by 8. So 3 times 8 is 24. 5 times 8 is 40. And 2 times 8 is 16. The next step is we add diagonally. So here we have 4 plus nothing is 4. Now we have 3 plus 2 plus 0, which is 5. Now we have 0 plus 5 plus 4 plus 6, which is 15. Regroup the 1. And then we have 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1, which is 4. And then 0, which is 0. So here is our final answer, 4,554. The next method I will be showing you is the distributive property. So the first thing we do is we look at our hundreds. So we have 2 hundreds. So we put 200. Then we have 5 tens. So we put 50. And then we have 3 ones. So we put 3. We do the same thing to 18. So we have 1 10, which is 10, and 8 ones, which is 8. So now we multiply all top numbers by 8. So 3 times 8, hold on. Three times 8 is 24. So we put 24. 50 times 8 is 400. 200 times 8 is 1,600. And then now we multiply all top numbers by 10. 3 times 10 is 30. 50 times 10 is 500. And 200 times 10 is 2,000. Now we add all these numbers. So here we have 4, 2 plus 3, 5, 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 5, 15. Regroup the 1, and 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. 4,554 is our final answer. As you can see, we got the same answer using all 3 different methods. I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and remember, knowing how to multiply is very important because math is the key to knowledge. Those that don't know how to multiply are destined for a life of problems. So next time, put those calculators away and figure out the tip yourself while going to a restaurant. Thank you.